Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today we are going to try out another new product. And this is a little bit more along the automotive line, and I guarantee you some of y'all are going to be wanting this. This is the AUXITO LED light bulb. This one right here is a DC 12 volt. The light source is LED, 6000K, 20,000 luminescence. Operating temperatures from -40 to positive 176 Fahrenheit. Can last for up to 50,000 hours. They are made out of aviation aluminum. AUXITO was nice enough to send this to me, and I thought the best vehicle I could put this on would be my son-in-law's work truck. This is a 95, correct?
Yes.
Okay, this is a 95 Ford F-150. We have the straight 6, and this is my son-in-law, Josh.
Hello.
Say hi, Josh.
Hi.
Good, he didn't do the hi, Josh. Whew.
Hi, Josh.
Really? Okay, this is his work truck. This is what he drives from here to his trucking terminal and back.
Every week.
About every 2 weeks, actually?
At the most.
At the most, every 2 weeks. But you do half of your driving at night, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, of all the vehicles that need some good lights, this one does. And you said the lights on this really weren't bad.
No.
So why don't you go ahead and turn them on for me, and let's see what they look like. And that way we can get a before comparison. Okay, hit your brights. Okay. Go ahead and turn out the overheads and see what we got in the dark. Oh yeah, that makes a good view. Those are low? Okay, hit them on high. Okay, now I'm going to turn around. We're going to look at the back shop wall. That's high?
Yep.
Hit low. All right. Well, I'll tell you what, Josh. Let's pull the bulb, and we'll do one side. Then we'll take a look at it so we can see an actual comparison. And then we'll put both of them in and do this again and see what they look like.
It's in.
Is it plugged in? Plugged in and everything. All right. All righty. Lights went out all over the world. Let's see what we got. Park lights. Woo! I can definitely tell a difference there. Is that low or high?
That is low.
That is low. Okay, let me turn around. Okay, hit them on high now. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Yeah, that is supremely better. All right, let's get that other one in, and then we'll find out how good it looks. Yowza. That definitely makes a difference. Those are low or high?
Low.
Those are low. Give me high. I think I found me some new shop lights. What do you think, Josh? You like that?
Oh, yeah.
That makes a huge difference, doesn't it?
High, low.
Go ahead and start it up. All right, let's take this thing for a test drive, see how it does. Wow, That's pretty darn good right there, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Is that bright or dim?
That's dim.
That's dim. Oh, look at that Oklahoma sunset. Oh, heck yeah.
How far are you seeing?
Top of the hill and beyond.
Oh, guys.
There's high.
Should we take one to the highway?
I can just go down here and turn around, I think. Oh, does that lighten it up quite a bit?
Oh yeah, it's way brighter. A lot further. As you see with the high beams on the old headlights,
Yeah.
it'd be right about where the main beam's at right now.
Okay.
So you'll be able to see from here to that mailbox, the old ones. These are a lot further.
I just think what it'd be like if you cleaned your windshield.
It is clean.
Yeah, keep telling yourself that.
It just rained, so it's got to be clean.
Really hoping we'd see a deer jump out in front of us.
Right.
Or a little ways in front of us. Or a cougar.
Yeah, I saw one earlier. This is a lot harder to do.
Why's that?
My short legs.
Well, you can scoot it up just a hair. That's the problems with bench seats, isn't it?
Yep. That's me holding it all the way down. Both. I like these a lot better.
Good deal. Yeah, I'm starting to see up the next hill already.
Yeah.
That's much improved.
Now, if it was completely dark, you'd be seeing that hill.
Oh yeah. Yeah, right now is the worst time to be trying lights because this dusk time, it's just,
But still, how well it's light.
yeah.
AUXITO.
AUXITO. AUXITO. Okay, Michael Jackson, you can take the glove off now. Okay, that was just bad, wasn't it?
I know it was.
All right. Well, Josh, I think that's going to really lighten up the road for you.
Oh yeah.
And you're going to find out tonight as you're on your way back over there. It's what, 60 miles, wasn't it, one way?
Yeah.
Okay, so, well, there you go. We got it done. Well, okay, Josh got it done. I stood here and held the camera and watched him.
Yeah. Lazy.
But, AUXITO, thank you so much for sending those to us. I'll have a picture of your ad on your website, and we will put a link down below. But guys, they have so many other products that you would love. They've got auxiliary lights. They have got actually replacement headlight housings for certain vehicles. It's a really cool company. I'm really glad to be sponsored with them. Guys, AUXITO, check it out. We'll see you next time on Santa's Workshop.